Good day everyone, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And ayan na, and for today's video, ito po is kakaiba because I just called by a lot owner to feature his property. If you are looking for a house for sale or a house for rent, this might be the property that you are looking for. Alright, continue watching. Alright guys, so come on then, let's check out this and take a look at this property. Well, wow, the property has a lot area of 240 square meters and with a floor area of almost 200 square meters wide. Look at the facade, it's an Asian inspired house with a 2-car garage, and this will be your space for the garden, and this will be your lanai space. And look at the space in here, so it's manicured and you have live plants. And what makes this property very good kasi it's included with a perimeter fence. Right, before we get into the entirety of the property, so let's check on the rear side of the house. So this is the right side of the property. Wow, ganda. So ang bahay nito guys is a single detached and enclosed with a perimeter. Alright, come on Benji. Wow, this will be your another open space dito sa likod, which you have faucet and you can do laundry. So actually po, this property is now for rent. No, this is not for sale. But papakita natin, so if it might na you are looking for a rent property, so this might be a rent property. Right? So on this side, this will be your 2-car garage. Alright, so look at this one guys. Ang ganda. So it's covered, so at least yung sasakyan niyo is safe sa ulan at saka safe din sa init. And also you notice na yun yung pong pinaka carport is elevated. And also you have this claddings. Ang ganda ng setup ng house guys. So this is perfect for BIVs. And if you are looking po or if you are practical, then mas maganda po mag-rent. Okay? So, right. So, before we get into the house, so as you can see, yung pinaka-main door nyo is made up of solid wood. So, shout out sa aking mga buyers dyan na sa abroad. So, thank you so much. Actually, guys, this property is now for rent. Wow, look at this one. So, upon getting into the entirety of the ground floor, so you have this living area and you have this dining set. So actually po, lahat ng gamit is kasama na siya sa for rent. And you have the, nakita niyo po, this house is an open below house. So ang ganda. Alright, so check natin guys on this side. Since this is your lanai area, which you can do no outside activities like barbecue area or coffee area. So dito po pwede siyang gawin. And on this side, meron kayo isang room. This is the first bedroom. Dito po sa ground floor area, which ito po is kasama na siya yung lahat ng furnitures. And hindi ka masuffocate kasi meron siya isang malaking window dito. So you have two owning window and then this one is fixed window. Ayan siya guys. So at least the ventilation, no, yung hangin coming outside. So at least dito mas fresco. Okay, this is just the first room. Then we'll check. So dito sa area na to guys, you have this common toilet and bath. Another set. Wow, look at this one. This is your common toilet and bath. And you have the water closet and then floating sink. And you have this enclosed. Look at this one. This is a frosted glass. Ang ganda. And look at the floorings. So actually, this house is livable. So if you are looking na gusto niyo po makalipat kaagad, well guys, pwede niyo kausapin yung owner. So looking or na gustong mag-rent na mag-rent po ng kanilang property. So this will be your dining area and you have this a breakfast nook and mai-enjoy niyo po itong pinaka-counter which this is made up of granite or marble. I think this one is nice. And then the box plus, and you have, again, yung kanila pong pinaka-window is similar doon sa mga windows na kinakabit nila, guys. So, you have the two awning and then fixed window. And then, in this area, the dining area, so still, they have fixed window and two awning window. And okay, so since this is the kitchen space, you have this sink and with fridge, and also you have overhead cabinet, but yung cabinet nila ang ganda. Ayan, so ang magre-rent nito hindi lugi kasi the furnitures, lahat po ng ginamit dito is quality, and of course, hindi mo na kailangan pang bumili ng mga gamit kasi you have this range hood and cooktop. And you have this built-in cabinet, no? And you have stool, then tables, right? So on this area, another set of room. Okay? So actually, this will be your pantry area extension ng inyong pinaka-service area. And you have this cabinet. And you have the access going outside. So this washing machine is included siya sa for rent. No? Ayan, kasama na siya lahat. And you have this access going dito sa outside. Wherein, mai-enjoy nyo yung hangin kasi talagang dito sa Antel. It's very airy. And of course, the location is just 20 minutes away going to Naiya via Cavitex. Alright? So on this area, since we are in the pantry area, so this will be your helper's room. So the helper's room has a toilet and bath. Look at this one. Ayan. So ang laki ng house nila kasi it has 6 rooms and 5 toilets. Malaki. Okay? So let's check on the second floor. Alright guys, so nasa ground floor area pa lang po tayo. So as you can see, there's a lot of furnitures, may TV set, and meron kayong dish area and everything, no, nandito sa loob ng house. So, no need na po kayo na bumili ng mga gamit kasi dito po sa loob ng house is complete. Right? So, tinanggal namin yung aming sapatos, then check natin po sa itaas by the way. So, this area po will lead you to the car garage area. And then, on this area naman po, dito po sa pinaka staircases will be your storage area. Right? So, let's check on the second floor. But before we get into the second floor, look at the open below. It's nice, no? Tingnan niyo po ang laki ng space at napaka-aliwalas ng house nila, guys. Alright? Okay, guys. So, come on then. Let's check on the second floor. Upon getting into the second floor, so you have the steps. So, this is made of wood, I think. So, we remove our shoes. And look at the riser, guys. Ang ikse. So, isang dangkal lang, kalahating dangkal. I think ang baba at saka ang sarap siyang apakan. And look at your railings. So this one is made of aluminum. And you have this tempered glass. So this is an Asian modern house na ang ganda. So this is ready for occupancy. Then take note that this house is not for sale. This one is for rent. So if you are looking for ready homes for rent, this might be the house that you are looking for. Right? So this is the second floor. So on the second floor, you have this space for, this is your family area. Wow. Look at this one. Ang laki. Gandang space. And on this side, meron kayo ditong... Alright guys, so this is the first room on the second floor. So I think this one is the master's bed. So it has a king-size bed. And of course, you have this wall-mounted aircon. And you have 5 windows. Actually, meron na siyang mga magandang curtains. And look at the flooring. So, ganito na po. And on this side, this will be your walk-in closet. So, let us check the walk-in closet. Wow. The space is quite wide at may mga gamit kasi talagang bahay talaga nila nito. So, sa dami ng bahay nila, so, wala na kasing titira. So, if you are looking for a house for rent, this might be the house that you are searching for. And then on this side, since this is a master's bed, I think, so you have this walk-in closet and this will be your master suites, toilet and bath. Check nyo po. Wow, look at this one. Wow, then you have this, ang ganda ng kanilang fixtures, water closet, and you have this vanity counter, and this one, wash area. Wow. And then look at the flooring. It's matte. And on this side, you have this. This will be your shower area. Alright? So, tingnan naman natin yung ibang rooms. Come on. Alright, so after this first room, so this will be your access going to the attic. But before we explore the attic area, check muna natin yung ibang rooms, guys. Okay, come on. On this area, you have 1 and 2, and I think this one another room. This one is the common toilet, but before we explore the common toilet, so this is the second room on the second floor. So this is the another room, so it can accommodate a king size bed, but ang nilagay na dito, guys, is a queen size bed. So it has window and wall mounted aircon, plus you have this toilet and bath. Actually, this toilet and bath is common, and this second room has the access on this toilet and bath. And as you can see, their doors, no, ang ganda ng kanilang mga pinto. It's made of solid, and they have already the outlets and sockets. So, kung ang mga hanap ninyo is for rent and then for VIPs and yung mga company owner, well, this house is maganda. And this is the third bedroom on the second floor. So the space is the same with the second room. Wow, look at this one, guys. Ang laki. So on the second floor, so you have this access going to your balcony. So we cannot open this now kasi hindi natin alam kung paano siya i-close. But this is a balcony. This is a common balcony. So you have this, also you have this cabinet na this will be na magagamit nyo po. Pero may magagamit po dito, guys, na maybe I think, no, if you are gusto nyo pong i-rent yung property, maybe they will remove this memorabilias. I think this one, guys, yung mga collection nila. So they will remove their collections. Okay? So let us pause for a while, then enjoy this open below setup. Wow, look at this one. So ayan, look at that one. So ang ganda. So this is an open below house. So mai-enjoy nyo po yung ganitong klaseng vibes dito sa isang bahay nito kasi una, yung height ng ceiling is talaga namang hindi matatawaran. And of course, you have the two chandelier. I think, ay, ang ganda. Huh? Alright, so let's explore the attic area po. Right? So we're done on the second floor. So on the second floor, you have 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath, plus a balcony, and you have the family area. So on the second floor, you will enjoy this open below setup dito sa house na ito, guys. And of course, you will enjoy the view of the chandelier. And on this area, nandito naman po yung pinaka-access going to the attic area. So which, mai-enjoy nyo rin, no? Another space for your guests. Or maybe, I think, with your family. Alright, so guys, come on. So on this area, this will be the spiral stairs case going to their attic area, which ang ganda dito. Wow. So okay, come on. Floor or the attic area, so you have this space, another set or another space for any gathering. So look at the mattings, no, floor mattings, ang ganda din. And another access here or another space here for your storage, I think. Alright, so the house is quite wide and very nice. And you have the window over here. And plus this open below setup, but be careful kasi talaga namang mataas siya. So be careful doon sa inyong mga kids kasi the house is talaga namang mataas. And so very consistent yung kanilang mga ginamit dito, guys. So from the railings and then the tempered glasses and the elements, no, very consistent. Alright, guys, so to give you the recap, this house is not for sale. And kung gusto mo siyang bilhin, you can talk to the seller. But the preferred, the house is for rent. Alright, to give you the specs, no? This house has a lot area of 240 square meters. It has attic, then 3 rooms, and then 5 rooms. Plus, it has 4 toilets and bath. So the space is very, very nice, no? And then the aura ng house and the facade, it's the same. Also, you have this wood tiles cladding, no? The accent going to the attic area. Alright, so the location is just 20 minutes away going to Naiya via Cavitex. Then we are located in Grand Centennial Homes in Kawit, Cavite. So if you are interested or if you are looking for a house for rent, well, this property might be the property na hinahanap mo. Alright, so kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video nito guys, I'll invite you to hit like, subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share sa lahat ng inyong friends. And also, if you have a house for sale na i-feature namin dito sa channel namin, well, you can email us or you can contact us. Thank you so much, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And see you in my next video. God bless.